Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making tasty rice ball dessert recipe with less ingredients. Rice flour 1 cup roasted, hot water add in batches, mix well, rest for 5 minutes, knead the dough, make small balls, keep aside, take a pan, add ghee 1 tablespoon, fry cashew nuts on medium heat for 2 minutes, keep aside, same pan add milk 1 liter, add rice balls, cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Slightly mix. Creamy texture ready. Now add coconut or coconut milk half cup. Mix nicely. Sugar 3/4 cup. Add fried cashews on top. Mix everything. Garnish with cashews. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.